Hey guys, welcome, and today we're going to be reviewing the OnePlus Nord. Now if you guys are considering to purchase a mid-range phone from ranging about $200 to $300, this phone is the one to go for. Now why I'm saying that this phone offers such features no brand can give you at this price range. Now I know this phone is released in 2020 July, so it's getting nearly a year, but the features, well, let's see. The display, it's the fluid AMOLED panel, and it does have a 90 Hz of screen refresh rate, which is really good, fluid enough, and it's a standard in my opinion that nowadays if anybody is going to purchase a phone, 90 Hz is a must. Now the second thing it does have is the under fingerprint scanner. Now most premium phone offers that, and this mid-range phone also gives you one. Now talking about the selfie cam, it does have a two camera on top. One is the primary 32 MP while the other is ultra wide 8 MP. It's weird to know that it should be 8 MP for the ultra wide. I was expecting at least to be 16 MP primary and ultra wide, because many people would be opting also for ultra wide shots, which needs to be more resolution, more clearer display. But nonetheless, this is what you get. Now looking at the side, you will have the lock button with amazing another feature, that is the slider. This is for the ringer profile. Now you can set your phone from ring to vibration and to silent. 3 options. iPhone offers 2. Now looking at the other side, it does have the volume rocker buttons, and at the bottom you're going to be seeing the Type-C port. 30 watts of fast charging capabilities, really good. But the battery size is about 4100 mAh, so it's going to be an okay for 90 Hz screen refresh rate, but it can last you a day as well, so nothing much to worry there. There's also a bottom firing speaker, and don't expect this to be a stereo speaker, so but it's loud enough, so it's really good there, with a mic for voice calls and all, and a SIM card tray. Now looking at the back side of the phone, you will have a quad camera setup with 48 MP to be primary. It can record up to 4K 30 FPS. While you can also have a 1080p up to 240 fps, which is good. Having the 8 MP ultra wide, 5 MP for depth sensor, and 2 MP for macro. Now the thing which I don't like is for the ultra wide, again 8 MP. At least it should be 32, removing the depth and the macro. I would be voting that for. And finally, it does have the dual LED flashlight. Now the color which I'm having is the blue marble, which is really good. So yeah, you cannot see the fingerprints on it because it's a shiny, but it's really good. And the second option you'll be getting is the gray onyx, so it's just simple words, gray color. So the OnePlus Nord has a Snapdragon 765G, which is focused for gaming, but do not expect it to be performing just like Snapdragon 865 or 865 Plus. Now there'll be 3 variants for the RAM and internal storage, from 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage, all the way up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. And keep in mind that this is UFS 2.1 and is Android 10 out of the box, upgradable to Android 11 with having Oxygen OS 11. And well, that's my take on OnePlus Nord. It's a good phone, used it. So let me know what you guys think about it, and if there's any other phone comparable, why you guys would like to go for that phone instead of this one, and would you be purchasing also or not? Comment below. Subscribe to this channel for more content, more reviews, and more tech stuff coming out in the future. See you guys in the next video.